Are you a general contractor or specialty contractor like an electrician, plumber, or framer? Are you tired of spending a fortune on bookkeepers and accountants who don't fully understand your business? You're not alone. I've been a CFO for several multi-million-dollar businesses. That's why I've designed a specialized DIY accounting training just for contractors like you. In just 10 days, I'll empower you to take full control of your finances. You'll eliminate the need for expensive accounting professionals and save tens of thousands of dollars annually. But more importantly, you'll learn how to keep more profit in your pocket. Now let's get real. A full-time bookkeeper or accountant can cost anywhere upwards of $100,000 or more every single year. That includes their salary, benefits, training, development, office space, and even administrative support. But imagine if you could save all that money. Imagine if you could use those funds to grow your business, invest in better equipment, or just enjoy a higher profit margin. My course is filled with real-life scenarios and practical solutions. You'll learn how to streamline your accounting process, maximize tax savings, and reduce overhead costs, ultimately achieving financial success. Plus, you could save as much as $50,000 or more per year just on taxes alone. Remember, this course is designed specifically for contractors like you. You're here because you want to thrive in your industry and you want to take control of your financial future. Are you ready to take control of your business finances? Click the link below to access my exclusive 10-day process and start your journey to financial success today.